last phase, changing the colors, okay? So we know that yellow-green is right here on the little color wheel, so he's gonna stay there just the way he is. This one is yellow. I'm gonna click on this guy and I'm gonna zoom in on him, okay? And temporarily what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to ungroup this. So I'm back at arrange, okay? I'm coming down here to the group area and I'm gonna click ungroup and see how the little G went away? All right, so now I can click on individual shapes. Like on this shape, I can go back to the color palette. Come on, there we go. And I need to go to the yellow section. Yellows, yellows, yellows. I'm gonna click on yellow. I mean, I could make this solid, right? So it doesn't have to be this beautifully blended. I could take sort of a, let's actually make it solid. Let's say that this part in the side here is a little bit of a darker yellow. Ah, there we go. We can say this piece right. Oh, what just happened? I went back. Let me undo. Oop, there we go. This shape, obviously, I could say is maybe more of a brighter yellow. Let's go solid with that. There we go. All right, and then I can click on this one, and I could kind of go back to that that olivey, dirty yellow I had a moment ago. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, go solid. Let's do that again. Solid. There we go. So it has a different color. So 1, 2, 3, I got that, so that's in a different color. Okay, so I don't have to regroup those back together again. I could just leave it like that. I went all fancy smancy with, you know, the gradient, but you don't have to do fancy schmancy with the gradient. Again, I could come over here and this guy needs to be more of a green than a yellow green. So again, I could select, and I need to come over here and ungroup. I need to then select this guy and let's make a color. We want to make it solid. So let me find something that's more true green. There's green. But it's inside my cup, so I'm gonna make it a little bit darker green. All right, deselect, select your other part of your object. Go in solid here. Let's go for a true green kind of a color. All right, deselect, selecting this guy. Let's choose something in, we want solid. We want something more dark greenish for a handle. Ta-da. So I've got a green one finished. Okay. If you need to move anything around, you can always, again, use your selection tool, drag around it, and then you can come over here and you can group it, and then you can move the whole thing together. Let me know if this doesn't help out, okay?